Very good morning, dear students. Hope you are safe and sound. Dear students, today I am going to start a new chapter, Federalism, and these are three very important questions. So first question is regarding federalism and regarding important features of federalism, and second regarding three features of coming together federation, and third question is regarding holding together federation. So I hope that you will enjoy this video. So student, first question is, what is federalism? List its important features. So students, in the previous chapter we studied about power sharing and understood importance of sharing of power in democracy. In this chapter we are going to study important features of federalism. So first, let's understand definition of federalism. So definition of federalism. So students, federalism is a system of government in which power is divided between a central authority and various constituent units of the country. First point is two levels of the government. So in simple word, there are two types of government in federalism. One is central government, that is responsible to make and execute laws for entire country, and another is responsible to make and execute laws within a particular state. Second point is governance within jurisdiction. So in a federal country, both state and central government have their peculiar and separate powers. Neither state government have right to interfere in central government, nor central government has power to interfere in state governments. All rule within their own jurisdiction. Next point is authentication by the constitution. So in a federal country, power given to central government or state government is written clearly in detail in the constitution of that country. Next point is mutual consent of both two levels of the government. So students, in a federal country, no government can introduce any changes within constitution of that country without involvement of both central government and state government. Next point is Supreme Court as umpire. So in a federal country, Supreme Court acts as umpire, and Supreme Court has right to explain and interpret constitution of that country. Apart from that, if any issue comes up between state government and between central government, it is responsibility of Supreme Court to resolve issues between these two levels of government. Next point is specification of the sources of revenue. So in a federal country, sources of revenue for state government and central government both are explained separately in detail in the constitution of that country. Next point is dual objective of safeguarding and promoting national unity. So dear students, this last point is very important. In a federal country, government is responsible and bound to safeguard and promote unity among people of different states, different caste, different religion and different languages. So these are 7 very important points of federalism. Now I am going to explain question number 2. List 3 features of coming together federation. So dear students, there are 2 kinds of federation. One of them is coming together federation and second is holding together federation. So coming together federation refers to a country in which all states are independent, but they decide to come together so that they can form a big country. Okay, so first point is independence. So in a coming together federation, all states are independent and they are having equal power, but they decided to come together so that they can form a big country. Second point is USA, Australia and Switzerland. So countries like USA, Australia and Switzerland have coming together federation. So let me explain it with the example of Switzerland. So there are 26 states in Switzerland, and all 26 states are independent. They came together so that all 26 states can make a big country. So all 26 states are having as much power as central government of Switzerland has. In Switzerland, no states or union territory has any special kind of right or privileges. Whether it is union territory or state, all has same power in Switzerland. So third point is equal power. It means that in Switzerland, state government and central government both have equal power. But in holding together, situation is reverse. So now I am going to explain question number 3, in which I will describe how coming together federation is different from holding together federation. So question is, India is a holding together federation. Justify the statement along with suitable reasons. Okay. So first point is division of power. So you know that there are two kinds of federation. One is coming together federation like USA, Switzerland and Australia, and holding together federation like India, Spain and Belgium. So holding together federation refers to a country where a large country decides to divide its power among central and state government for better administration. Okay, so countries like Belgium, Spain and India have holding together federation. So let me explain it with the example of India. So you know that there are 28 states and 8 union territories in India. So they all are dependent on each other, unlike Switzerland and United States of America. Okay, so these Indian states and union territories did not join each other to form a big country. Rather, India was already a big country. So India decided to divide India into various states for effective administration. So in India, central government has more power. Central government more powerful. So in India, central government has more power in comparison of state governments. But in Switzerland, United States of America and Australia, so both central government and state government have equal power there because they are having coming together federation. So this is the basic difference. Okay. In India, many states have special powers like Jammu and Kashmir. When it was a state, now they are union territories. Okay, like Azam, Nagaland, Manipur, many other states. On other hand, there are 8 union territories which have less power than Indian states. But in coming together federation, no state has any kind of special power and no union territory has less power than any other state. So this is the basic difference between coming together federation and between holding together federation. So India is holding together federation because India has divided its power between central government and state government for effective administration. Okay, and unlike coming together federation, so in India, state government is having less power in comparison of central government, and union territories are also having less power in comparison of state government. But in countries which are having coming together federation, so situation is very opposite. There all states are having equal power, and whether it is state government or central government, and no state is having any kind of special powers like in holding together federation. For example, Jammu and Kashmir, Manipur, Assam. So these states are having special privileges and special power, and that is only found in holding together federation. So I hope that you have understood what is the difference between coming together federation and between holding together federation. If you are having any kind of confusion, you can ask me question. Thank you. Bye for now. Khuda Hafiz.